Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Adil. So I'm just came up with a wonderful warm-up videos for all of you guys to enhance your communication skills. So there are some little bit tricks in English, so you can get yourself, crispy, simple. So you can mixing things up, right? So if you understand the little bit of terminologies, which will definitely help you as well. So I just came up with a wonderful solution for all of you guys. You will find some interesting videos in this session, and just stay tuned with us, if just watch the video till the end, and if you find out the video interesting one, so just subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get new notification as well. So I'm just committed to give you some wonderful sentences, wonderful words, and daily use vocabulary, which will definitely help you to improve your communication skill. I think this is most better platform to join and join us to be a part of our team as well. So we are also commencing Blue Zone Education Consultant Academy. It is situated in Laria de Mansera near Nadra office, so you can join us over there. It's a wonderful platform and a golden opportunity for Manserians, to enhance their English communication. So we are just, teaching IELTS, then PTE, and right now we are about to introduce Duolingo, which is quite easy, especially for those students who are having problems to attempt in IELTS, and this is going to be the best options for all of you guys. So don't waste your time, don't hang around, and just become a part of our team. Join us over there. Try to enhance, if you want to enhance your communication, right? So now there's two things here, क्रिस्पी इंग्लिश एंड सिंपल इंग्लिश। तो इंग्लिश में छोटी मोटी टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स हैं और अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को आप बड़ा दिलचस्प बना सकते हैं। तो इसके लिए आप डिफरेंट वर्डिंग इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जैसे लेट सपोज यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है क्रिस्पी इंग्लिश, तो मैं इसमें दिलचस्पी रखता हूँ। आई एम इनटू इट, आई एम इनटू इट। सिंपल इंग्लिश में आप क्या कहते हैं? आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन इट, आई एम इनटू इट, I'm interested in it. Now, once again, maybe. So, in a crispy English, you can say, so I am. In simple, me too. So, these are the little bit expressions, quite beautiful, which will definitely enhance your communication one. So, तो यहाँ पर हमें इनका solution मिलता है. So turning towards the next slide as well, टेक की शैतानियाँ, यानी यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि टेक को हम different words के साथ different occasions पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जैसे टेक की शैतानी में आप देखें, देखो तो, take a look, सात में से दो निकालो, take two from seven, take two from seven, पेशकश कबूल करो, टेक द ऑफर, हौसला पकड़ो, टेक द करेज। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन यूज टेक। बात तुम्हारी समझ में आई? डिड यू टेक दैट इन? Did you take that in? So once again, I'm repeating. See here. So you can take with different things. Take a look. Take two from seven. Take the offer. Take the courage. Did you take that in? Did you take that in? So I hope you would like this little smart video. So just stay tuned with us, and you will find some new notification as well. I'm trying hard to bring up with the new things and new tips and techniques which will definitely improve your communication. So you will probably enjoy, right? So if you have any query, just do comment in the comment box and we'll try our best to make you clear about all the doubts that you have. So if you are the new on our channel, just subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon to get new notification. So definitely you will enjoy. This is going to be the challenging channel for all of you guys to enhance your English communication as well. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye.